Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy gold futures using Etrade. In this video, I will guide you through the steps needed to get started with investing in gold futures. Whether you are new to trading or looking to expand your portfolio, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. First, you need to create an account with Etrade if you do not have one already. Go to the Etrade website and click on the sign up option. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email, and other personal details. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it. This can be done via bank transfer or other methods Etrade offers. Make sure you have enough funds to cover the cost of the gold futures contracts you wish to purchase. Next, log into your Etrade account and navigate to the trading platform. In the search bar, enter the symbol for the gold futures contract you want to buy. Commonly used symbols for gold futures include GC for COMEX gold futures. Once you find the right contract, click on it to view more details. You will see information such as the current price, expiration date, and contract specifications. Review this information to ensure it meets your investment strategy. Now you are ready to place your order. Select the option to buy and specify the number of contracts you want. You can choose between a market order, which buys at the current market price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. After confirming your order details, click on the Submit button to finalize the purchase. Congratulations, you have now bought gold futures on Etrade. As you monitor your investments, remember to stay informed about market trends and factors that influence gold prices.